Durban University of Technology Art Gallery hosted one of its kind exhibition which focused particularly on hair and hairstyle on its opening night. The gallery was warmly crowded by art enthusiasts and students who came to witness an exhibition of this nature with the theme "Creation of Hairstyle in the Indian Ocean." Iziko on the Move was in the mix to get exclusive interviews from the art enthusiasts, students and partners of this one-of-its-kind exhibition.
The show is in partnership with Alliance Française in Durban, and we'd just like to thank them for giving us the opportunity to show an exhibition of this nature, and thank you to all of you for being here. I'm going to pass you over to Vincent from Alliance Française, who has a few words. Thank you.
So welcome again at the DUT Art Gallery. So we are very happy to present this exhibition, Coiffe, about hairstyle in the Indian Ocean area. So this project has been realized by LERCA, which is an association from Reunion Island, and VAICA, an association from Madagascar, with the support of the University of Tananarive. And just want to thank all the partners, so the Association LERCA, France Volontaire and the Reunion Island region, DUT of course, and the creator of the gallery, Francesca Verga, and Michael also.
Very interested in that piece. Yeah, so I think she'll talk to you.
So I'm Suleiman Badad. I come from Reunion Island, which is next to Madagascar, between Madagascar and Mauritius. And so we flew here to bring the Coiffe exhibition all around here. And I'm really glad to be in Durban and to work also with Francesca, the owner of this gallery. We're in front of this piece, which is a collaboration with Dominic Fico and myself. And he did this volume part, taking a picture from also the lectures we talked previously. And I did this video that goes through the little butterflies here. We should have a conference tomorrow, we're on Tuesday, so tomorrow is Wednesday at 6, and it will be at the DUT Art Gallery. And the conference will be about one of the subjects related to the exhibition. So it will deal with hairstyles and also spirituality. So it's like a mixture of both.
Hi, I'm Terren van Wyk and I am a DUT Fine Art student. I was brought here to this exhibition tonight to obviously find out what it's about, and it deals with hair. I see that it deals with more of African hair, which I don't have, which is even more intriguing for me, because in today's world where the trend is to have weaves and that sort of hair, I will never understand what it's like. So to come here tonight and to engage and to learn about other women's hair and what they go through is very fascinating, and thank you.
I'm a third-year fine art student at DUT. I'm here to see the exhibition. It's interesting because it's also around my concept, which is the art of hairstyling. So fascinated by the pieces. I love the pieces, and it will help me with my own portfolio at school. It will improve my work too.
What is the context? You say you didn't see it? No, I wasn't. She said that she got to the abattoir, got the blood.
Morning, it's 11:30?
12:30?
It's 12:30? Okay, yeah. At 12:30, sorry. We'll have a walkabout, so I will be here and talk a bit more about the exhibition, maybe present all of the artists that participated in.